Hello dear ones, Rajugari Biryani full recipe on the channel. Please do view, learn the recipe, cherish the taste. One detail separates this biryani, not the mutton, not the rice. It's the coconut milk. Half a liter of fresh coconut milk poured into the pot where the mutton cooks, giving the rice a richness that no amount of ghee alone can create. This is the Rajugari secret. The soaked basmati rice is added, then 1.5 glasses of the saved mutton water, and then the Rajugari secret, half a liter of fresh coconut milk. This coconut milk, it does something no other ingredient can do. It makes every grain of rice soft and rich and fragrant.
The Rajugari mutton biryani is ready, served with nothing more than a simple onion raita. Because this biryani needs no accompaniment, it is complete. Every grain of rice, a memory, every spice, a story, every bite, a village on the Godavari, alive again.